If you are looking for a way to get your PC off of the ground, if it's sitting on carpet, or you just want something that you can set your PC on and wheel it around if you need to do that, this is the product for you. This is the mobile PC stand. I have this guy as wide as it can possibly go while still being rigid here. And if I take the measuring tape, this can fit a PC that is about 12 3/4 inches wide, and then it can fit a PC, at least the feet is about 15 3/4 inches deep, and then this guy sits about 2 3/4 inches off the ground there. Now let's flip it over. In order to adjust the size here, you have these little clips all the way around, and if I loosen all of these and I smash this together, that's how thin it can get. If I clip these guys back down, it'll work for a really tiny PC stand at that point. I actually don't even have it fully together, but still, that's how small it can get from where it was. And this size now is about, it's about 8 inches, give or take, wide. So this thing can adjust, and these feet also have stoppers. So if you don't want this guy wheeling around, you stop, you click these guys down, and it's not wheeling around. I have this guy working on my Meshify 2 case, and it works amazingly well. I have 0 issues, and this gets my case off of the ground so the airflow can come from underneath through all these vents and give the PC the airflow it needs from the bottom up, so I don't have to worry about, say, dust or overheating from there. So if you're in the market for a PC stand that gets your PC off the ground and it allows you to wheel it around, I highly recommend this to you. This is what I use, and I love it.